Meaning of dropper.
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 Dropper. The term dropper can have multiple meanings depending on the context in which it is used. In a medical setting, a dropper may refer to a device used to administer medication in small doses, usually through the mouth or nose. In computing, a dropper may refer to a type of malware that installs additional malicious software onto a computer system. Alternatively, in sports, a dropper may refer to a type of shot where the ball drops abruptly towards the ground before bouncing back up again.